my journey, that how I became a cabin crew. You don't have to join any course or institute. No, again I got rejected. Some things I don't like about this company. भगवान तुम्हें वही देता है जो तुम्हारे लिए सबसे अच्छा होता है. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mosmi and I'm working as a cabin crew with an international airline. So from the title you must have guessed that what this video is gonna be about. So if you are interested in my journey, that how I became a cabin crew, so please keep watching. Okay, so to start with, how I decided to become a cabin crew. मैंने ना बहुत सारे वीडियोस में देखा है वेयर दे से दैट बिकमिंग अ कैबिन क्रू वाज नॉट समथिंग दे प्लान फॉर देमसेल्फ, बट फॉर मी इट वाज समथिंग आई प्लान फॉर माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग. मैं स्कूल टाइम से कैबिन क्रू बनना चाहती थी. पता नहीं मेरे दिमाग में आइडिया कैसे आया, क्यों आया, बट I wanted to do this and I was very serious about it as well. So that's how I decided to become a cabin crew. Decide तो कर लिया कि cabin crew बनना है, but कैसे? Because मेरे आसपास दूर दूर तक कोई नहीं था कि जिससे मैं information ले सकूँ कि इस job के लिए क्या करते हैं, कोई पढ़ाई होती है या इंटरव्यू कैसे देते हैं, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था. एंड एट दैट टाइम यूट्यूब बिकेम माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. सो मैं उस टाइम पे ज़्यादा तो वीडियोस नहीं थी यूट्यूब पे. अभी तो बहुत ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल है यूट्यूब पे. अभी बहुत कम यूट्यूबर्स थे जो यूट्यूब पे कैबिन क्रू रिलेटेड वीडियोस डालते थे, बट स्टिल आई गॉट लॉट ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम यूट्यूब एंड ऑल्सो फ्रॉम गूगल that you don't have to join any course or institute. You just need to check the career page of airlines if they are hiring or not. If they are hiring, if you meet the requirements, you can apply for the job, or if it's walk-in, you can just directly go for the interview. You don't need to do any course or anything for that. So yeah, and that's how I got this information, or I was just waiting to turn 18 so I can go for the interview. So let's talk about my first interview. I think मेरा first interview मैंने 2021 में दिया था. I think end of the 21 when Indigo started hiring after COVID, और उस time से अभी तक they are continuously hiring. I don't know why. So at that time I had my first interview. It was in Bombay. So I was very confident, okay, because the whole COVID I was preparing myself for the interviews and I thought that I will get selected. But मैं गई इंटरव्यू के लिए and it was the first round. It was self introduction round. हम 7 या 8 लोग थे and we just introduced ourselves, and the interviewer, she cross questioned me that what I'm doing right now. Even though मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन में बताया था, still I told her that I'm pursuing my graduation and blah blah blah. So she asked me that how will you able to manage your graduate exams along with flight schedules or your training. So I told her I would apply for leaves and I'll go for whenever I have my exams. But she said that you cannot apply for leaves whenever you want. So it's my advice that just complete your graduation first and then come back for the interview again. And she rejected me. Actually, she rejected everyone in my group. I wasn't heartbroken, but I was a little upset that what is this reason that because of my graduation you are rejecting me. So yeah, whatever. So I think उसके 1 या 2 महीने बाद I went for an interview in Hyderabad. I made it till last round. It was 5th round and हम बस 8 लोग बचे थे. And I was very confident on that day as well that I will get selected, because पूरा दिन I was giving my 100%. And it was just last round, so I thought of course they will select all of us, all the 8 of us, but no, they did not. बस 4 लोग select हुए थे और मुझे they didn't tell me any reason. He just told me that we are putting you on hold and we will let you know if there is any update from our side and we will send you mail, and that means you're rejected. It's just a polite way to say that you're rejected. So yeah, I was heartbroken on that day because I was giving 100%. I was giving my 100% the whole day and I was so confident that I will get selected, but no, again I got rejected. But of course I was heartbroken, but I didn't give up. उसके I think 2 हफ्ते बाद ही I went for an interview again in Hyderabad. और उस दिन मेरे बस 3 राउंड्स हुए थे. फर्स्ट वॉज GD, then second was the SCAR height weight check, and third was one-on-one round, and that's it. I got selected on that day so easily. I mean उसके पहले वाले इंटरव्यू में there were so many rounds. I made it till last round, still got rejected. In this interview बस 3 rounds थे and I got selected. I was like, उस दिन मुझे लगा कि luck really matters. I think उस दिन मेरा luck नहीं था, इसलिए I got rejected, and इस interview में I got selected so easily. So along with hard work, luck also really matters. So please don't give up on your dreams. Try again and again. जिस दिन भी तुम्हारा दिन होगा उस दिन you will definitely get selected. So don't give up. And that's how I started my cabin crew journey. उस टाइम पे तो लग रहा था कि सबसे हार्ड चीज़ ख़त्म हो गई, सिलेक्शन हो गया, बट आगे भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी जो मुझे फेस करनी थी. उसके बाद आई वेंट फॉर ट्रेनिंग इन गुड़गांव 3 महीने के लिए. और मेरा इनिशियली मेरा बेस था चेन्नई, बट आई गॉट ट्रांसफर्ड आफ्टर 6 months टू पुणे. सो इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट माई जर्नी इन इंडिगो, अभी तो बोल सकती हूँ क्योंकि आई लेफ्ट इंडिगो. Honestly, I'm very grateful that I got this opportunity to work with them and get this experience, but there are some things I don't like about this company. I think I should make another video for that. My experience, I think if you want to start your career as a cabin crew, इनिशियली इंडिगो इज़ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन फॉर यू. और अभी तो उन्होंने बहुत सारे न्यू रूट स्टार्ट किए हैं, इंटरनेशनल रूट्स भी स्टार्ट किए हैं. सो इट्स वेरी गुड टाइम फॉर यू टू जॉइन नाउ. बट ओनली थिंग आई डोंट लाइक अबाउट दिस कंपनी कि फ्लाइंग बहुत ज़्यादा हेक्टिक हो जाती है, क्योंकि इंडिगो के इतने सारे फ़्लाइट्स हैं एंड एवरी डे फ्लाइंग एंड रेस्ट ज़्यादा नहीं मिलता है. इफ़ आई कंपेयर माई करंट एयरलाइन विथ इंडिगो, I get a lot of rest and it's very easy for me here to survive. I'm not saying this to I'm not saying this to demotivate you or anything like that. It's just my experience. मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा hectic हो गया था, but lot of my friends, they are still working and they are happy with it. So if you want to start your career and stay in India, of course Indigo is a very good option. Definitely go for it. If they are hiring, don't miss your chance and go and get the experience. If you don't like, you can also switch or leave the company. No one forcing you to stay there forever. So yes, like that I worked in Indigo for 2.5, almost 3 years. और उसके बाद I joined Cathay Pacific. Cathay was never in my mind. I mean, मेरे दिमाग में बहुत सारी दूसरी इंटरनेशनल एयरलाइंस थी जो मुझे ज्वाइन करनी थी, बट Cathay was never one of them. पर मेरी मम्मी हमेशा कहती है कि भगवान तुम्हें वही देता है जो तुम्हारे लिए सबसे अच्छा होता है. एंड आई ट्रूली बिलीव दैट, बिकॉज after coming to Cathay, I realized that Cathay was something I really wanted. I really like the work culture they have, their flight schedules, the colleagues and everyone are so nice. I am very happy that I made this decision to come here and join this airline. By the way, I'm in New Zealand right now, just flexing. So yes, that's the glimpse of my cabin crew journey, from a lot of rejections to now working in one of the best international airlines. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope मैंने आपको बोर नहीं किया होगा. And if you have any questions related to cabin crew job or Indigo interview or Cathay Pacific interview, please feel free to comment, or you can also DM me to my Instagram. I will share the link in the description. You can follow me. I am very active on Instagram as well. And yes, that's it for today's video. Again, thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.